Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're just going to do a little mummy, and to begin with I'm just going to mark out where his head's going and his body. So I'm just using gel polish and a fine line brush to do this with. So I'm making his head a square sort of shape. And I'll also mark off the bit where his eyes are going to go. So once I've done that, I'll come in and place the body on. So I'm just bringing it round. And then add his little legs on. So don't worry if you've messed up like I have on the black on the body there, because you will come in and fill it in with white gel polish anyway. So just placing on his arms, and then I'll do the same on the other side of his body with his arms and his legs. So I'm happy with how that looks, so I'll just pop it in the lamp to cure to set the gel. So I'm now coming in with the black and just filling in where his eyes are going to be so that they stand out better. And then I'll fill the body in with white gel polish and cure in the lamp again. When you're filling in the body, don't worry if it looks patchy, because they're bandages anyway and they should look kind of dirty. So it doesn't matter if you have some patchy bits, it will just add to the effect. So that's looking good. So I will now come in with my dotting tool and add on the eyes, using white again. I'm just going round it to make the eyes a little bit bigger. And once happy, pop it in the lamp to cure. So I'm just coming in with an orange gel polish to add the centre of the eyes, well, the colour of the eyes, and then pop in the lamp to cure again. So again, I've turned my dotting tool over and I'm using the smaller side to add in the black centre of the eyes. And then again, pop it in the lamp to cure. So now I'm coming in with my red gel polish and my dotting tool again to add on this little character's heart, as if you've watched the last two videos you'll have seen that they'll all have a little heart. I'm just tidying the shape up with my fine liner brush. And once cured, I'm just going to go in and go around with the black gel polish to make it stand out. And I'm also going to add in some more lines to make it look like there's more bandages. So this is still using the black gel polish. And the same again on his arms, legs and body. I've cured it in the lamp and I'm just coming in with a small bit of black polish just to add in a little bit of shading here and there. So I'm really happy with how that's looking, and again I never put a base colour in, so all I'm doing here is adding a black gel polish and just putting it around the edge of the nail to give it some more effect. So it doesn't have to be tidy at all, it's just to make my character stand out more from the nail. And then once I've done this, I will top coat my design and pop it in the lamp to cure, and that is the design complete. So hope you've enjoyed watching number 3 of these videos, and there's still 2 more to come. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so for future videos, and thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye for now.